All right, so we have a system of equations that we're trying to solve. In this case, we're going to use graphing. Okay, so in order to do this, we're going to go to the calculator. We are going to type in y equals, we got to type these two equations in. So we're going to do math, number, absolute value. That's where the absolute value portion of the graph is. So the absolute value of x plus 1. And then we're going to do x minus 3 squared. X minus 3 squared. Hit graph. So you can see it's going to hit in two spots. It's going to hit here, and it's going to hit there. So now the question is, how do you find these? Second calc, intersect. First curve, second curve, guess. We'll find the first one. And then doing it again, second calc, intersect, first curve, second curve. Don't just hit guess again, you're going to get the same damn answer. So remember when you do this, first curve, second curve, remember for your guess, you got to move it around over closer to where that other point is. Okay? Move it around closer to that other point. And hit enter there, and that should give you your two answers. Okay. So your answer, if you're going to write it down, yes, ma'am.
I graphed this exactly like yours, but I got the first one right.
Did you get the second one right?
I didn't look for the second intersection because it didn't look like an intersection.
Hit zoom 6. If your graph doesn't look like mine, hit zoom 6, and that probably ought to get your picture to look more like mine. So when you write down the answer, just want to show you how to write down the answer. You're going to write it down as 1.44 and 2.44 and 5.56 and 6.56. Those are both ordered pairs. Again, you need both the x and the y there. Okay. All right. With that being said, I'm going to leave the tape on. I want to make sure everybody hears this. On Wednesday is a huge day for us. Wednesday, we have section 7.3 to go over, which is system of three equations. That's huge. And then we have our last section, section 7.7 to go over, which is graphing system of inequalities. Okay? Very important next week, final exams, Monday and Wednesday, okay? So we are approaching the end of this thing, so let's make it happen. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other.